Hello kids, today we study our new poem Once I Saw a Little Bird. Okay, once I saw a little bird. This is our unit 4. So let's start. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. So kids, the poem shows the affection of the kids towards a bird. Okay? The kid is the speaker of the poem. Okay? So, now in this poem, there is a boy. Okay? A little boy who saw a little bird, a small little bird. Okay? Who come in his window. Okay? In his window. So, he cried, little bird, please stop, stop. Okay. So, in this first paragraph, read new words, difficult words. Little, little. Bird, bird. Hop, hop. Hop means movement up and down. Okay. Moving up and down. Cried, cried. Cried. Cried means shout loudly. Stop, stop. In next paragraph, I was going to the window to say, how do you do? Okay, in this poem, boy says that he was going to the window and say, how do you do? To bird. Okay, but he shook his tail. But the bird shook his tail. Shook means movement of a tail. Okay, shook means hilana. Shook his tail, little tail, and away he flew. Okay, the bird flew away. So, in this poem is the affection of a boy to the bird. Okay, so kids, please read this poem very carefully and do reading practice. This is very beneficial.